So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can buy RMB using your Naira card or your dollar card. Okay, so if you've been finding it difficult to fund your Alipay account or finding it hard to pay directly to your supplier, please kindly watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how you can fund your Alipay account by yourself without looking for an exchanger to do that for you. Now, the major problem importers have been facing when it comes to importation is when it comes to paying their supplier. Yes, this has been a major problem because sometimes some people even fall victim of scammer looking for exchanger to change their currency for them. So kindly watch this video to the end, because it will be of use for you in your importation business. So if you are new to my channel, I am Jenny and welcome back to my channel. What we do here is to train people on how to import goods from China successfully without being scammed. So if you are new to my channel, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful tips on how you can import from China by yourself. So let's quickly get into the video. Now, I have three major apps that I use to fund RMB. Yes, and I'll be sharing this with you. So make sure you like and you comment if you find this video helpful. Yes, so the first app I use, I'm going to be, sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to be, giving you step by step on how you can register and how you can fund your account using the website that I'm going to be mentioning. This is what I've been using for years, and I just feel like sharing it with you. So just stay to the end of the video. Now let me quickly talk about this app that I've been using. I use three major apps, so I don't know, maybe I'll be sharing two with you in this video, then I'll make a proper video for another one. So the first app I use to buy RMB is the TuPay account. It is spelled T-U-P-A-Y, TuPay. Yes, I use this app to fund my Alipay account, and sometimes I even use the app to pay directly to my supplier, and the transaction is always seamless. So I'm going to be teaching you step-by-step guide on how you can register also and start using the app to fund your Alipay account. As you all know that using the Alipay account, the only time you can buy RMB by yourself is if you have China card, China mainland card. Yes, that is the only time you can buy for yourself. But if you don't have this card to access the feature on the app, you need an exchanger, and that is where this app that I mentioned come in. So with this app, you can pay your supplier directly, you can fund your Alipay account, you can even buy for somebody using this app, and it is very, very seamless. I said I've been using like three, right? But I'll be sharing two with you in this video. Now, I've mentioned the first one, that is the TuPay account. The second one is MoPay. Yes, I've been using this particular app too for years, and I can guarantee that the app is very, very okay, because I even know the founder of the app, and I've been buying from this particular website without any issue. So I'm going to be sharing that with you too in this video. So watch to the end so that you will not miss some basic facts on how you can register by yourself or having issues when it comes to the registration process. So just watch to the end, because I'll share my screen now with you. I'll share my screen with you so you can see how you can register all by yourself and fund your account. So in this practical video, I'll be funding my own account using these two websites. So just stay to the end of this video, because it will be helpful for you. So I'll be sharing my screen right now. So here is how to register on the TuPay account. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign up, because you don't have any account yet, right? So you click on sign up, you register with your first name. For example, your name is Taiwo Kende, right? You fill in all the necessary details. Now you add your number, your phone number, your active phone number, and you add your Gmail account. Make sure that the Gmail you are using correspond with the name you're using, so that you will not have any issue. Now you type in this referral code Kuforola 3791. Make sure you use this referral code so that if you have any issues with your 2pay account, I can be able to solve them for you. You understand? So adding your referral code using this Koforola 3791, then you create a password, and you confirm password. Then you click on sign up to register on the 2pay account. So that is all for this page. Now when you click on sign up, it will direct you to this page where you input the code that they send to that Gmail that you used to register. That's why I say that you should use a Gmail account that you know that is verified and you can receive code on. Now after you input the code, you click on profile, then you come to bank account to add your bank details. Now you click on this account number, you type in your account number and make sure that the bank account you are using correspond with the name you used to register. So for me, I'm going to be using this Wema bank account. Now once your account is linked, you see this thing that it will show you that it has been linked successfully. Now you click on KYC verification where you need to add your NIN or your BVN. So for me, I'll be using NIN. So you click on I'm ready. It will direct you to this page. So my country is Nigeria, right? And I want to pick NIN as my option. So I will add my NIN details here. You make sure that what you are using correspond with your name, please, so you not have issues opening this account, because any single mistake like this, the account is gone and you will not be able to do anything. So once you add your NIN details, you click on continue. When you click on continue, it will show that your account has been verified. Now the next thing you want to do is to create a pin, and this pin is what you'll be using to make payments on the app. Now you click on an authorization pin, you create a password, create a strong password that you can use to when you want to make payments, you'll be using it. I hope you understand. So you create a password and you confirm your password, that your pin rather, you confirm your pin. So once you create your pin also, that is done. Now I want to go to how to buy RMB. Now if you want to buy RMB, you need to fund the account first. So you click on add money. When you click on add money, you click on generate account details so that you can know the account you'll be sending the money to. Now when you click on create account details, it will generate an account details that contains your name. So you can use this account to fund your wallet, this your 2pay account. Can you see I just funded 100 naira, but later I realized that the minimum RMB you can buy is 50 RMB. So I'm going to be adding another extra amount to this so that I'll be able to buy 50 RMB. Can you see? So after that, after you fund your account, you need to click on send RMB. If you want to fund your Alipay account, you click on send RMB. Now when you click on send RMB, it will direct you to this page. Now you now type in your Alipay wallet. You want to send to your Alipay, right? You now click on Alipay option. When you click on Alipay, you now type the amount of RMB you want to buy. So for me, I'm going to be buying 50, just because I'm doing a live illustration for you so you can see how to fund your account. So I click on 50. Now you add your Alipay details, the number you use to register your Alipay. Now I'm going to add that here, and I'm going to use my QR code, my Alipay QR code in this option right here. So I'm going to just search for my QR code on my camera roll. So after you add your Alipay QR code, now you swipe down to where you see save beneficiary. You can ignore this if you don't want to save your Alipay wallet there. So you add your name also, the name you use to register your Alipay account. Then you click on pay now. When you click on pay now, the pin that you set when you were registering, this is what you use to confirm your payment. Now after you enter your pin, now the money will be deducted from your account. You know that we want to buy 50 RMB now. The initial amount in exchange rate for RMB will be deducted from this your 2pay account. Now this 15 RMB that I bought, it will automatically reflect after some minutes. It will reflect in my own Alipay account, and I'm going to be showing you that. Can you see the 50 naira I just bought, the 50 RMB I just bought? It has appeared in my account. So that is how to, fund your Alipay using the to pay account. Now, thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.